Hello students, in our previous class we have seen the introductory part of trigonometry, and today in this class we will discuss about the trigonometric ratios. Now see, we have already seen about the adjacent angle, then hypotenuse and opposite angles. Now we will see in this class about the trigonometric ratios. Now see, here today we will learn about few new things, and that name you might have heard. See, we will learn about six relatives. Here six relatives are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. And in short, in our home, as we call our friends with their short names, or you can say nicknames. So here in short we will say sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay, now we will see how we will find the trigonometric ratios. Now see, to find sine A, okay, sine A. So here we have to deal with this angle, sine A. Okay, so sine A is that opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, when we will discuss about sine A, we have to remember the thing, opposite side by hypotenuse. Now see students, here the opposite side of angle A is what? BC. The opposite side of this angle A is what? BC, and we know that in a right angle triangle the longest side is our hypotenuse. So here AC is our hypotenuse. And see, this BC and AC, okay, if you consider this the case of right angle triangle, then this is what? Perpendicular, and this is what? Hypotenuse, and this is base. Okay, so in this case, okay, we can write BC by AC, or this BC is perpendicular and this AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so see, when you remember by using that property, then only you will be able to write. Now see, here I told you the case of a sine, but here we are using what? Sine A. So here our sine A is this one. So to remember sine A, we have to learn that to write sine A, it is opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. Now if we want to write sine C, then what we have to do? Here, now this is, now everything will change. So here the opposite side to sine C is what? AB, and hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so don't get confused. And if you will remember that we know that sine is P by H, then other I will tell you, then in that case, in such type of situation you will confuse. So the thing you have to remember is to write sine theta, we instead of angle we are taking angle, sometimes we are telling theta also. So here as we are showing triangle ABC, so if we want to write sine of any angle, then that should be what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, similarly to write cos, we have to remember adjacent side by hypotenuse. So from this figure our adjacent side is what? AB, and hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so or that can also be learned as, this is what? B by H. Sine is what? P by H, and cos is what? B by H. And about tan, okay, that tan can also be written as sine A by cos A. Okay, sine A by cos A. So sine we know that what? Sine we know that P by what? H, and cos is what? B by H. So we can write H by B. So this H get cancelled, and our tan is what? P by B. Okay, so that P by B you can write what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, opposite side by adjacent side. So here opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. And see, if you learn or if you understand that 3, then the rest 3 you will be able to write by yourself. See, the opposite of sine is here cosec, cosine is sec, and tan is cot. So if sine of angle A is opposite side by hypotenuse, then here cosec of angle A will be 1 by reciprocal, not opposite, you can say reciprocal. So here 1 by sine of angle A. So this thing you have to remember. We can write sine that cosec of angle A is equal to 1 by sine A, or here sine A is equals to 1 by cosec A. Okay, this thing you have to remember. So here as it was what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So this will be hypotenuse by opposite side. AC by BC. Sec will be what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. AC by BC. And cot will be what? Adjacent by opposite. That opposite of 10. So that will be AB by BC. Or you can write cot as what? Cos A by sine A. Okay, so here just you have to remember. Okay, here sine we can write opposite by hypotenuse, cos adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan opposite side by adjacent side, and cosec 1 by sine of angle A, sec is equals to 1 by cos of angle A, and cot 1 of tan A. So here you have learned 6 formulas. Okay, and that 6 formula you have to remember, and by using all this formula we will solve numerical in the next class. Okay, so see, you have to remember tan A, sine A by cos A, cot A, cos A by sine A, then sine in terms of cosec, then we know that sine A is equals to 1 by cosec A, cos A is equals to 1 by sec A. Okay, so see, in the next class we will solve problem related to it. Till then you remember all the formula. Okay, so till then have a good day.